So in this video, we'll show you a little bit more about the subscription condition within marketing automation and how you can configure it. And so you can start using the subscription condition either as a starting element within your workflow. It's probably one of the most common starting elements, and you could use it throughout a different avenue or part or branch of the workflow as well. But in particular, whenever you are using this condition, of course, the most important thing, within most of these, elements within marketing automation would be the properties. And so you just need to specify for which list, if you want to specify, should the following, action that you, want to take after someone subscribes should apply to. For example, whenever someone subscribes to my brownie promotions list, then I want this to happen. Or anytime there's a subscription to any list via any method, I want something to happen. Because I could specify, and then within my brownie promotions list, and they subscribe via any landing page. Let's say, I could specify it that way. So you can see that there are, within the drop downs, a lot of ways to really specify exactly, who you'd like to be targeting with following actions based on how you configure the properties. And as well, you could actually, have one subscription condition element configured in one way, and then have another one that you specify that it's, people who sign up to the cupcake promotions via a landing page. Then you could, for example, maybe the same thing would need to happen. Maybe you would actually end up sending the same message to these people, or tagging or scoring them, whatever, action you want to follow within this condition, you can actually do it like that. So that's a way to kind of do multiple subscriptions or types of subscriptions to result within one workflow. So the most important thing, of course, is just deciding, to which group, which list, if you want to specify, do you want to configure the properties for the workflow? So I can say it'll be any method. And the most common, of course, is if subscribed starts the workflow, and then you'll be, choosing to send a message or tag or score or do something else. And so that's the most important things for you to know about how to configure the subscription element within the marketing automation conditions.